Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. I'm back with another video and today I'm trying out a 3D mandala. So let's see how it goes. So in this type of mandalas, all you have to do is put shadows in the right places. At first, as you have seen, I made the whole baseline of it. I made the mandala with pencil, and above it I tried putting shadows with the pen, and it just went just like that. So I was roaming in Pinterest and I found this amazing mandala over an African map, and it was so unique and very fine with lots of crazy details. I wanted to do the same, but since I didn't really have any fine liners pen, I was kind of confused like how to put it in the paper and get the 3D effect. But then I just used a normal pen and it didn't turn out to be that bad. But it was really difficult. It took a lot of time, usually a lot more time than a normal mandala. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.